Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
A 4-year study recently published in Ecology and Evolution concludes that the fungal disease, white nose syndrome, poses a severe threat to many Western North American bats. Since it was first detected in 2006, white nose syndrome has killed millions of bats in eastern and central North America. The spread of the fungal pathogen that causes white nose syndrome in hibernating bats has reached several Western U.S. Bats with white nose syndrome have fungus growing on their nose and wings, as the name implies, but the fungal infection also triggers a higher frequency of arousals from hibernation. Bats have limited fat stored for the winter, and if this is used up before the end of winter, death by starvation occurs. To do so, they combined an unprecedented field data collection effort with a mechanistic model that explains how energy is consumed during hibernation and how the causal fungus impacts this energy consumption. By comparing their new knowledge of how long bats infected with white nose syndrome could hibernate against the duration of winter that they would need to hibernate with the disease, the authors predicted survival outcomes for each species. If a bat did not have sufficient energy to live beyond the duration of winter, the simulation recorded immortality. 3 years of intensive field work resulted in 946 bat captures, all released after measuring. Bat energetic measurements paired with hibernaculum environmental data were gathered for 9 species that were sampled at 8 sites scattered throughout the West. The researchers then assessed how the arrival of white nose syndrome might affect hibernation energy use, and subsequently each species' ability to survive hibernation with the disease. Combining data on the host, the environment they select for hibernation, and how the pathogen grows at different temperature and humidity conditions, the authors simulated how many days infected populations could hibernate under field conditions. The study revealed there are white nose syndrome threats to all the small myotis species examined, including M. labrum, western small-footed bat, M. ovotus, long-eared bat, M. lucifugus, little brown bat, M. thysanodes, French myotis, and M. volans, long-legged bat, as well as Perimyote. In comparison, larger species like M. thalifer, cave bat, Corymorinus townsendii, Townsend's big-eared bat, and Eptesicus fuscus, big brown bat, are predicted to be less impacted. In addition to providing valuable ecosystem services, they are incredibly fascinating species, from their ability to echolocate to their unique immune system. Here, an all-hands-on-deck approach is needed. Western states can take steps now to put protections in place before anticipated severe declines are observed, like reducing habitat loss and, note, content may be edited for style and length. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for environment updates. Thank you.